Hi there folks. Let's make your life easier by knowing how to copy and paste words with the Hable. In this video we will walk you through the process step by step. We will be using the Notes app.
Notes. Double tap to open.
First head to a text you crave to copy. And find the word that's calling out to be shared with the world.
Notes. Note. Text field. Is editing. Hi, you made my day.
This is the moment of truth. Do you prefer the word on the right of the cursor? Hold dot 7 and press dots 4 and 6.
You. Selected. Made. Selected. My. Selected. Day. Selected. Exclamation mark. Selected.
Now the word is selected. Time for some copy-paste magic. Hold 1 and 4 to copy the word. You got it.
You made my day. Copied.
Now, unleash that copied gem wherever your heart desires by holding dots 1, 2, 3, and 6.
You made my day. New line. You made my day. Helvetica, 12 point, left justified.
So there you have it, you've mastered the skills to copy-paste words with the Hable. Go forth and share those words of wisdom with the world.